King Peg, what? I have something special to tell you. What could that be? You're ungrounded. For real? No, just kidding, joking. You idiot. I can't believe you joked to me like that. I hate you so much, you obese beast. Don't call me obese beast. You're literally fat in the show. Don't talk about that again. Why should I? Fatty, obese? Just leave me alone. I hate you. I hate you too. Oh, I can't believe you fucking did this to me again. How can I get my revenge on him? I know. I'm setting up something special again. See this? This is my balloon. It's green, like me. I call it the King Pig Surprise. Now, why have I called this the King Pig Surprise, you may ask? Well, may I tell you, I have put a bomb in this balloon. And you're asking, that's not green, that's jade green. It's a jade color. Trust me, it's green. It's just because of the camera. I bet you just broke the fourth wall. Oh well, time to get us to Redburn. King Pig, what is that? It's my special balloon. I call it the King Pig Surprise. What the? Boo! Ah! What the hell was that, King Pig? It was a bomb balloon. Ow! You're grounded!